UMLA kamau plang ba MB kurba ulawan ra ya kamat ya tai hayeng dorbar halor ka jishna ya kisurok hamau plang constituency da ka bakun turu ya ka sarkar bandon ki jaka ya kejat ha ki jaka balong yo haba jubab ya kane usembut menteri rangba ba prestun tensong ula pentip bakidon south leki project bayadei bat kategatan halor ka surok mau plang shawei loy balawan ra da UMLA kamau kerwat ba renikton na kaliang usembut menteri rangba ulong ba kakam kadang yan bat kemi denti batang shiyo kajing menjer en la ban pendap no kham kloi
02 to Maungap Mau Kharshiyeng PMJSY 3 improvement and rehabilitation of Mau Plang Kat Road and Mau Plang Balat Road wa Pamtia to Weloy additional works 4 rehabilitation including construction of approach road to the sacred groves Mau Plang. C. Sir, the sanction by both the government of India and the state government will be accorded during the current financial year 2024-25. Sir.
Ms. Matthew, your supplementary question, please.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, and thank you to Teaching Minister in charge duty for the reply. The Speaker, sir, farmers constitute around 70% of the population in the state. However, the road condition in the villages are so bad that they cannot bring their produce to the market. May I suggest the government to also seek funding for construction of rural roads other than construction of highways and state highways. My next question, sir. In the reply to the question B, number 2, I'm not understanding the meaning of T02 to Mawab Maharshiyeng. It is not clear, sir, this answer. And number 3, with regard to the road from the Maplang Road, Maplang Balat Road, Wa Ampamtia to Weloy. Sir, is there any plan to construct footpath along these roads, especially in the market area? Sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may I request the honourable member through you, sir, to repeat the question at least one by one, then I can reply accordingly, sir.
Sir, sorry, sir. Answer the question number 2, sir. May I get a question on this, sir? T02 to Mawab Mount Kharshiyeng.
Sir, yeah, T02 to Maungap Mau Kharshiyeng. In fact, this is the original nomenclature which we already proposed and submitted to the government of India. Therefore, it is also reflected here, T02. But I think the honourable member from Mau Plang, being the local MLA, not go outside this nomenclature.
Thank you, sir. The next question, sir. To reply number 3, number B3, is there any plan to construct footpath along this road, sir, especially in the market area in Tirsat, as well in the villages of Lingyong area? Sir.
Yes, sir. This estimate includes some portion of footpath wherever necessary, and the engineers, the SDOs, has already prepared the estimate accordingly for that, sir.
Thank you, sir. The next question, sir. Sir, I would like to inform the House that there's so much congestion in the Mawa market area. May I know from the Chief Minister, please, whether is there any plan to widen the existing road from near the Sengkasi Hall of Marbisu to up to Mawa Police Station? Because there is a 16 road, it's very small. This will help for those travelers going towards Mausenra, Maugarwat, because especially in the market day, which happens twice in a week, there is a traffic jam in that area. This will help those travelers.
Sir, yes, I've had the concern of the honourable member from Mau Plang. It's also the ongoing concern of every members of this August House as far as widening the road is concerned, especially in few portions, which is very important. Let me just inform the honourable member, sir, we have just completed the phase 1 of Mau Plang up to Wei Loi, and we converted into the intermediate lane. Yes, the portion mentioned by the honourable member, I personally feel it is very, very valid. But the question here is, are we able to get the land or not? Because as far as the state scheme is concerned, sir, there is no provision of land acquisition. And if land is available, we don't have much problem to widen the road, sir. But as I've said earlier, sir, the only challenges for the WD department is whenever we wanted to widen the road, the problem is the landowners are against it. So this is the challenges that we have. So I would like to discuss maybe in my office with the honourable member, in case if he can make an assurance that the land is available, then we will take up for the estimate and also.
Thank you, Mr. CC Minister, please. Again, coming to that road, it is an existing road, sir. At least if it can be repaired, the road has gone very bad. No one wants to drive through that road, sir. If not, you cannot widen it, but still, the road can be repaired so that a small vehicle can pass through. My next question, sir. May I know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, please, how many kilometers of roads has the ministry allocated for our states, especially through World Bank, PMGSY, JICA, ADB, and NDB?
Sir, the supplementary question is very vast, and quite a number of them I don't have the record with me right now, because the specific question is relating to the Mau Plang constituency. So therefore, I don't have. Of course, as far as the PMGSY is concerned, sir, I think yesterday I have already replied. The target for the state of Meghalaya is 1,250 kilometers. And then again, the phase 2 of MITP, again, for the road sector, we will be able to get at least 2,000 crores. And the other heads, I don't have the record with me, so for that I require notice.
Your one last question.
That's all, sir. Thank you for your honest reply, sir. I wish you mercy. Thank you.